Hi guys, we have arrived at Amsterdam and now let's explore more about Amsterdam. Without further ado, let's go. Lot of bicycles in Amsterdam. Ooh.
The bicycle truly is king in Amsterdam and has become a much loved part of Dutch culture. The city is meticulously planned around this form of transportation, prioritizing bicycle over cars. With hundreds of kilometers of bike paths throughout the city, Amsterdam is one of the safest and easiest places to cycle in the world. Bicycles are used by all socio-economic groups because of their convenience, the 400 km of bike paths, the flat terrain, and the arguably inconvenience of driving a car. Now, we are walking over to take a ferry ride to our hotel.
It seems like we can sit this ferry over to the other side. Come, let's try out on their ferry.
This ferry is also a local transportation option in Amsterdam, used to cross the river IJ by pedestrians, cyclists and monopods. It serves as a shortcut for people traveling to other side of the river. Let me share with you how this ferry ride looks. There is an outdoor walkway for bikes and pedestrians. In front of the walkway, it leads us to the end of the ferry, an open air area where we can stop and enjoy the view of the Amsterdam River as we head to our destination.
I'm not really scared, but I'm not sure what kind of way to pay for this ferry. Looks nice though. Very good.
While enjoying the ride, I managed to talk to some locals and realized that the ferries in Amsterdam are free. That was a pleasant surprise. At the back of the open air, you'll find an indoor section for those who want to escape from the weather, whether it be cold, winds or rain. Let's walk in and check it out. Inside, there is a site for pedestrians to sit down, and on the other side, cyclists and standing pedestrians can hang around. In this area, it's warmer. So now let's enjoy some of the view from the ferry.
This river. That's really interesting. Free ferry compared to our side, we have to still pay.
200 yards away.
Nice place.
I think that's all folks for my sharing on my experience taking ferry in Amsterdam. I hope you like what I've shared today. If you like my video, please do press the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell if you haven't already done so. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.